Hello, everyone. Hello. Well, this is actually Friday, um, November 29th, 2024. So I'm adding this vlog into my Saturday vlog. So I just got home. I had two packages on my porch, and I knew that they were coming because they are from Sammy. By the time you all see this video, Sammy will have known that I have received his packages because I want him to know that I did get them. So I got two packages from him, and he told me that they were coming, and I am really excited to see what is in these packages. So I wanted to share them with you guys, and I wanted to open them on camera to show you guys. I know this is going to brighten up my day because whenever Sammy sends me a gift, if it's money or, just talking to him on the phone, I'm very elated. So let's open up the first box. I'll bring the camera down some. I know what one pack, I think I know what both of them are. He told me what they were, but let's see. Trying to move the box down. There we go. All right, so take this out the package. I want to make sure that I don't. Okay, so here it is. Do I need to pull this down even more? That's as far as it will go. Oh, let's see. Oh, look at this. I'm sorry, you all. It's a snow globe. He knows that I love snow globes. Uh-oh. What did I knock off? Did something fall off? I hope I didn't break nothing. So he gave me some extra batteries. So it must, it plugs in somewhere. So let's see. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. He knows I love snow globes. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I hope I didn't break nothing because something fell off. I don't know where this one go. But let's see. Can I turn it on? Oh, okay. So I think I need to put the batteries in here. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. You all see him? Oh my goodness. So cute. Let me see. Oh, here's the, okay, so I'm going to put the batteries in because I want to see what it does. Y'all, I need glasses. Let's see. My cats are having a fit. Let's see. Okay. So, plus here. And hold on. Plus here. Let's see. Plus here. Okay. Let's see. Do I have them in there right? Oh, and this goes into the back of it. So it must light up. This is so cute. Okay. Oh, look. I like it. Oh, is this pretty? Oh my goodness. Isn't this pretty? Oh, he knows that I love snow globes. Oh, with the little lights. That is so adorable. Oh, Sammy, this is so cute. Can you hear it? So cute. Oh my goodness. This is gonna look so pretty. Hold on, I want to turn out. See if I turn out this light. Hold on. I just want to turn out the light just to see what it's gonna look like in the dark. Look at that. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. So you can plug it in or put batteries in it. So pretty. I gotta sit that over there. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off just to save batteries. That is different and unique. Thank you. Okay, this came off of something. It might have been something extra. It might have been up here. I'm gonna figure that out. Let me turn the lights back on. Hold on. Turn the lights back on. How cute. I love, if you know me and you've been watching this channel, you all know. If you don't know, I collect snow globes. I don't care what they are. I don't care if they're the black Santas. It can be any kind of snow globe. I love snow globes. That is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Sammy. Okay, so on to box number 2. Let's see what this is. I was gonna do this tomorrow, but I was like, I'm too nosy. I need to see what it is. Okay, let's see. I mean, he got to take up, child. He has it taped up. All right, y'all. Here's box number 2. Oh, wait. There's a card. We put a card in here. Okay. This is my card. It's my name on it. To Sherelle Cotton. So grateful for your friendship. Thinking of you at Thanksgiving and letting you know that you have a very special place in my heart. You always will. To a very special lady, happy Thanksgiving, Sammy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So Sammy is one of my subscribers who has been here on my YouTube channel for probably since I started doing YouTube. Maybe not the very, very beginning, but somewhere along the way, he came and became a subscriber. And always will leave a very sweet, encouraging comment. He was never, obtrusive. He was never disrespectful. He always gave me the utmost respect. And we just became friends. And in the last couple of months or so, we started communicating through Facebook Messenger. And then we recently, now I would call him through Facebook Messenger. We just recently exchanged phone numbers and have become really good friends. I am so grateful for you. I am so grateful for all of you because you guys have become my new friends and my new family. And I appreciate you all so much. And I've really gotten to know a lot of you all by doing the car chats Monday through Friday. Now I'm doing the car chats on Saturday and Sunday along with hauls and so forth and so on. typically don't do a card chat if I'm doing a haul, but if I'm not doing a haul, then I do a card chat. So this, I really have gotten to know you all through those card chats, and I am so grateful for your love and your friendship. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, okay, let me finish opening up this box. Oh, now you all remember remember these? Remember Black Paper Party? He sent 4 of these. Just one more. He had told me that he had wanted to, oh shoot. Damn it. These are broke. Damn. That's okay. I think I can glue one of them back together. But they did, this one broke. So let's see. I'm trying to see what they are. Black Paper Party is a African-American company that launched, I think last year. And what these are, they're bowls. I hate the other 2 broke, but that's okay. That's all right. So this is what they look like. And they're going to match my Black Paper Party glasses. I'm going to show you all what those look like. I'm going to put these on the table. So they match this. I don't know if you, excuse me, I don't know if you all remember me when I bought these. So these little bowls will go next to them. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, this is so cute. So he sent me, what do they do? What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 2 broke, but it's all right. It's all right. I'm going to put these on the table. I have some Christmas placemats. I don't know where they are though. So yeah, these are join the Black Paper Party, where our characters spread joy and provide gifting solutions for culture. So they're microwave safe. So they're little bowls. So I can eat out of these, you know, even when Christmas is over. I probably won't, because I'm going to put these out here on the table. The little bowls for decoration. I am so happy. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, and I hate these broke. Oh, look, see? They broke. Well, that's okay. I got enough. I got enough of them. So Black Paper Party has, they're the African-American company, and they make everything, everything that is, everything that is, African-American, the Black Santas, the Black Santa Claus, the Black Mrs. Claus, their glasses, everything. And I love them, and they're hard to find. You can find them in Walmart and TJ Maxx sometimes, but I know Walmart has a slew of a collection of them. But again, you got to find them at the right time. You know what I'm saying? You got to find them at the right time. These are gorgeous. Thank you, Sammy. You made my day. Oh, you made my day. I am so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And that snow globe. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to take a picture of that. I'm going to do a little video of it. And I'm going to send it to my mama and my sister and my niece. Because we on a thread. Say, look what my friend sent me. Look what my friend sent me. My mama know who Sammy is, because she's heard me talking to him talking about him and talking to him on the phone. And you know, my mama loved anybody that love her Cece, which is her Sherelle. Nobody in my family calls me Cece. Nobody. Everybody calls me Sherelle or Rail. Nobody calls me Cece. Cece is the name I came up with because I got tired of trying to tell folks how to pronounce my name. So that's how Cece came about. And it actually came about from me working on this job because everybody wanted to call me Miss Cotton. I was like, no, y'all not finna call me Miss Cotton. Call me Cece. I got 2 C's. C for the first name, Sherelle. C for the last name, Cotton. Call me Cece. And I just added the CE because the CE is in my name. CHERAL is my government name. And so because I got an E in my name, I just added the E. Not that y'all asked for all that. But anyway, thank you all. Thank you all for looking at this video. Thank you, Sammy. Thank you. Thank you. You made this girl happy. It don't take a whole lot to make me happy. Things like this make me happy when people think of me and they listen to what I say and listen to when I talk about how I like, you know, snow globes and things like that. So thank you so much. I appreciate you oh so much. And I'm getting ready to call you, boo. I'm getting ready to call you and let you know I got it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Anyway, you all, I'll see you all in the next video. This might be the end. If this is the end of the video, let me say now, mwah, have a great rest of your day.